Arthur's morning light slips through the curtains. Van stares slightly. Her head feels warm, safe. She opens her eyes slowly. She breathes. Her head is on Jungkook's lap. Jungkook is asleep, sitting against the headboard. One hand is still resting lightly in her hair. Authors. He looks tired. Van doesn't move. She understands everything. Without anyone saying a word, carefully, very carefully, she lifts her head and places it back on the pillow. She covers Jungkook with the blanket this time. Author. She stands there for a second looking at him. Van soft to herself. He stayed. She turns away before her thoughts go any further in the kitchen. She makes coffee. A few minutes later, Jungkook wakes up. He looks around empty bed. Authors. For one second he thinks he imagine everything, then he noticed the blanket on him and a cup of coffee on the table. A small note under it. Note, I am fine, don't worry. Thank you for the last night. Author's office cafeteria. Afternoon Vine sits with her coffee, lost in thought. Her friend Lisa, team member, sits across from her. Lisa, you and Jungkook are close. Vine immediate. No, Lisa. Raise an eyebrow. Lisa, you don't even let me finish. Vine, he's my boss and my friend. That's it. Lisa smacks. Lisa, he stayed all night when you were drunk, dropped you home, took care of you. Vine defensive. He does that for everyone. Lisa, no, he doesn't. Silence. Vine looks away. Vine, you are overthinking. Lisa leans closer. Lisa, you look at him before you answer anyone else. Vine snaps. Vine, stop it. I don't feel anything for him. Lisa holds her gaze. Lisa, okay, bet. Lisa, but denial doesn't mean absence. Lisa stands up. Arthur. Vine sits frozen. She exhales sharply. Vine, what nonsense. She shakes her head, opens her laptop, tries to work, fails. Arthur's evening. Van walked past Jungkook's cabin, glass wall, he inside, focused, sleeves rolled, tie shoes loose. She stops just for a second. He looked up, their eyes met. Van immediately looks away and walks faster. Her heart beats faster. She doesn't understand why. Author's night. Vine lies on the bed, lights off, phone in hand. She opens Jungkook contact, shares, doesn't type. Locks the phone, turns to other side, close her eyes. Jungkook voice echoes in her head. Jungkook, when you are ready. Author's. Vine open her eyes, wide awake. Vine whispers, I don't like him. Pause. Her chest feel heavy. She remembers his silence, his patience, the way he never asked question. Authors. The way he stayed. Her grip tightens on the pillow. Vine, quite unsure. I don't. But her mind doesn't listen. Author. She turns on her side, stares at the wall, thinking only one name, not Taeyeon. Authors. 3 days have passed. Vine knows the truth now. She has feeling for Jungkook, but she refuses to accept them. Night has fallen. The office floor is almost empty. Lights are dim. Only Vine cabin light is still on. Vine sits at her desk, files open, laptop on, working non-stop. Authors. Outside the sky suddenly changes. Heavy rain starts pouring, thunder cracks. Strong wind shakes the glass windows. Vine slowly stands up and walks toward the window. She looks outside. Rain hitting the glass, city, lights blurred, her mind drift. How Taeyang used to ignore her silence, how he never noticed when she was hurting, how she waited and waited and waited, then another images replaces it. Authors Jungkook standing beside her without being asked, Jungkook noticing her mood without questions, Jungkook giving support without conditions. Authors Why chest tightens, why, why is my heart comparing them? Author She doesn't notice someone entering the room. Jungkook walks in quietly, holding his jacket. He stops when he sees her standing near the window. Lost. Jungkook Van. Authors No response. Jungkook Van. Author Still nothing. Authors He walks closer, concern visible on his face. Gently he places his hands on her arms. Jungkook, Vine, where did you go? Author's Vine flinches slightly and turns around, their eyes meet. Author's Thunder roars outside, rain continues to fall. Vine, sorry I didn't hear you. Jungkook, you've been staring at the rain for 5 minutes. Author's silence stretches between them. Jungkook, something bothering you? Van, no, I'm fine. Authors, Jungkook doesn't argue. He never does. Author, he just takes off his jacket and gently places it around her shoulders. Jungkook, it's cold and you are shaking. Authors, Van looks down at the jacket, then at his hand, still resting lightly on her shoulder. Her heart betrays her beating fast. Van, we should go, it's late. Authors Jungkook notes but doesn't move his hand immediately. Jungkook, okay, but this time don't lie to yourself, Van. Authors, she freezes. Jungkook steps back, giving her space. Always respectful, Van watches him walk toward the door. And for the first time, she doesn't want him to leave. Author, just as Jungkook reaches the door, his phone rings. Jungkook glancing at the screen. Jimmy? Author, he sweeps an answer. Jungkook, yeah, Jimin, what's up? Jimmy, voice slightly panicked. Jungkook, are you out of the office already? Jungkook, calm. No, I'm still here. Why? Jimmy, okay, good. Then don't leave yet. Cook, why? Jimmy, because the rain, the storm, a tree just fell on the main road. Traffic in is completely blocked. It's chow out there. You be stuck for hours. Better stay in the office. Author Jungkook looks back at Van still standing near the window. The rain pours heavily outside, lighting flashing across the desk sky. Jungkook, maybe staying isn't such a bad idea. Author, he puts the phone away and closes the door gently. The storm outside rage on, but inside the office feel strangely calm. Jungkook returns to Vine's side. She glances at him, stared at his sudden pause by the door. Jungkook slightly teasing but warm. Look like we are stuck here for a while. I guess the storm wants us to stay. Author's Vine feels her heart skip the world outside his chows, yet here in this quiet, flooded office. Time seems to slow, Vine whispers almost to herself. Maybe this is the universe way of making me face it. Author's Jungkook leans against the desk near her, careful to maintain a respectful distance, but close enough that she feels his presence. To be continue. Bye bye.